teller of tales, a balladeer of ballads. Since this is a modest cast of plays, I will also be a player of plays. My story takes place in 1894, and was a lusty, lawless, robust time, filled with lechery, treachery, and crime. In short, just like the present time. Our story takes place at the new train depot, where our good citizens of this fair town are anxiously awaiting the arrival of the Union Pacific train.